Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Palak Paneer. Palak Paneer is perhaps the most popular paneer dish from North India and a favorite in Indian restaurant. Creamy spinach paired with paneer makes a delicious main course. This recipe is very simple with very few ingredients and will serve two. So first I am going to blanch the spinach. I am using about 5 ounces of spinach. So water is boiling and I am going to put the spinach in boiling water for 1 minute and take them out in the cold water, and basically that is blanching. And this keeps color green. Okay, and then just make sure they are all dipped in the water. Here I have cold water, so I will take them out in the cold water. Okay, so spinach is ready. Going to turn off the heat. And as you see, leaves has started mushing little bit. So leave it in cold water for a few minutes and then we are going to blend it. So I am going to blend the spinach. So just put the spinach in the blender. 1 chopped green chili and 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger and just little bit water. And blend it to make a paste. So spinach is ready. It's looking very pasty. So let's take it out and I am ready to make the spinach with paneer. Heat is on medium. So first I will put oil. I am using a 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil should be moderately hot before I put the cumin seed. So oil is ready. I am using half a teaspoon of cumin seed, 1/8 teaspoon of asafoetida. Stir it and put the spinach slowly. Yeah, put the spinach slow because it splatters. So we add the other spices. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of sugar. Just mix it and let it cook for about a minute. While cooking, just cover the pan half the way because spinach splatters. But if you cover all the way, spinach will lose the color. Okay, so this has been about 2 minutes. It's the time to put the whole wheat flour. I am using 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of water. Mix it well. So this helps binding it together. Otherwise, spinach will leave the water one side. Okay. Add a little bit more water. And I am using 1/4 cup of heavy cream. I think it needs a little bit more water. So slowly I have added about 3/4 cups of water. And again cover it half the way. I am using 1/4 cup of cubed paneer, and these cubes are bite size. I have soaked them in hot water for about 5 minutes. It gives a better texture and it becomes soft. So I am going to add this into the paneer, into the spinach. Sorry. Okay. Stir it. And let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes over low heat. And cover the pan again half the way. So it has been about 5 minutes and Palak Paneer has been cooking and has a very vibrant color and it's ready. So let's turn off the heat. I will just put some finely chopped tomatoes, not much, and just stir it in, and I am ready to serve. Palak Paneer is ready, has a vibrant color, looks beautiful. I will serve Palak Paneer with naan. I know my family will enjoy. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive the notification for new upcoming recipes. To check out more recipes, go to my website manjulaskitchen.com. Enjoy and thank you.